Good morning, students. It is my second online class on project work, project discussion, and I already informed you in my first class that today I will explain on analysis and interpretation part of the project. So I'm going to start. I explain কৰিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছোঁ. In this analysis and interpretation part, you have to analyze each question of your questionnaire. Now, your questions of the questionnaire will be different from topic to topic. But in almost all types of project, two questions are very common. Their gender and age distribution. So I want to explain these two questions as an example. আৰু তোমালোকলৈ মই এই এক্সাম্পল দুটা ডকুমেণ্টছ আকাৰত পঠাই দিম। এতিয়া কথা হ'ল I am going to explain on gender wise breakup of respondents. Example 1, gender wise breakup of respondents. এতিয়া কথাটো হ'ল যে প্ৰথমতে আমি টেবুল বনাব লাগিব। First we have to make a tabular representation, and here this table will contain 3 columns. এই টেবুলখনত 3টা কলম থাকিব। First one is options. First column contain options, second column contain number of respondents, and third is percentage. So suppose you have 50 samples. So in gender column you have to write male and female, and the next column number of respondents. Suppose male respondents is 30 and female respondents is 20. Next is percentage. So what will be the percentage? Out of 50, 30 male. So percentage will be 60% for male, and for female it is 40%. Okay, next is the diagrammatic representation. We know that you will use either bar diagram or bar diagram. Next is the interpretation part. In interpretation part, you have to write from the survey and or from the table. We find that 60% are male and 40% are female. So what you're finding? Findings to hold the male respondents are more than female respondents. Okay. Example 2, age-wise breakup of respondents. Same way, you have to make a table. It will contain 3 columns. First one is age group, second is number of respondents, and the third is the percentage. And if you want to represent the pie diagram, then additional column you have to make an additional column, because here we have to express our data, our results in degree. মই এটা ইয়াত এক্সাম্পল তোমালোকক দিছোঁ যে ধৰা এজ গ্ৰুপ এনেকুৱা আছিলে যে বিল' 20 years, 20 to 40 years, 40 to 60 years, 60 and above 60 years. Number of respondents column, suppose below 20 years 10, and 20 to 40 20, 40 to 60 15, and 60 and above are 5. So percentage will be below 20 years 20%, next is 40%, and the next column contain 30%, and the last one is 10%. To draw pie diagram, you have to express in degree. আৰু সবেই তোমালোকে জানা pie diagram ডায়েগ্ৰামত আমি ডিগ্ৰীত কেনেকৈ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰোঁ। গতিকে সেই হিচাপে মোৰ এই এক্সাম্পলটোত তোমাৰ বিল' 20 years it is 72 degree, 20 to 40 years it is 144 degree, 40 to 60 years 108 degree, 60 and above 60 years is 36 degree. So it is for pie diagram. Next is you have to draw pie diagram using protector, everybody know. Next you have to write interpretation. Okay, interpretation ইতিমধ্যে মই তোমালোকক কৈয়ে দিছোঁ যে আমি interpretation লিখিম যে from the table we have seen that 20% are below 20 years, 40% are between 20 to 40 years, 30% are 40 to 60 years, and only 10% are 60 and above 60 years. So what you're finding? তুমি এই ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যনটো কি ফাইণ্ডিংছ পালা? যে most of the respondents are between 40 to 60 years. ঠিক এইদৰে তোমালোকৰ কুৱেশ্যনিয়াৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো কুৱেশ্যন এনালাইজ আৰু ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিটেশ্যন লিখিব লাগিব। এতিয়া কথা হ'ল যে এইখিনিয়েই কিন্তু মোৰ আজি তোমালোকক এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিবলগীয়া কথা। তোমালোকৰ যদি কিবা কুৱেশ্যন থাকে you can contact me in WhatsApp. And so let us stop for today. And bye students, have a good day and stay safe. আৰু তোমালোকলৈ মই এইখিনিতে ক'বলৈ পাহৰিলোঁ যে ডকুমেণ্টছ আকাৰত মই এই এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনখিনি পঠাই দিছোঁ আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় I hope you will see that video. Bye.